There's something magical about the world when it awakens. The first light of dawn, the calmness of the breeze, the untouched beauty of nature. The sun's reflection dances on the water, unlocking secret colors hidden in the sky. The endless horizon reveals more than light. It unveils a world beyond sight, where the sky and sea meet in silence, a moment that whispers to the soul. The vibrant colors of flowers in bloom, the gentle song of birds in the air, the smell of fresh rain on the earth. It's in these small, fleeting moments that natural beauty reveals itself. From the glow of a setting sun to the vastness of the ocean, every part of nature has a unique story to tell. A story that reminds us of our connection to the earth and its wonders. But natural beauty is not only found in landscapes, it lives in people too, in their authenticity, in their kindness, in the simplicity of a genuine smile. Real beauty radiates from within, untouched and unaltered. Nature teaches us to appreciate what is real, what is pure. In a world full of distractions, it's a reminder to slow down, to breathe, and to notice the simple, beautiful things around us. Natural beauty surrounds us every day. It's a gift we must cherish, protect, and find peace in, no matter where we are.